In this video, we are know about the Turing machine. In examination of point of view, they will ask about the define Turing machine and explain its model, or define Turing machine and explain its idea of the Turing machine. A Turing machine is used to accept the zero type grammar. A tuning machine is a machine which is used to accept zero type grammar. A tuning machine can be defined as a seven tuples. A tuning machine can be defined as a seven tuples. These seven tuples are Q, sigma, delta, T. It can be written as gamma also based on the choice, and blank, Q naught, and F. Q is the set of states, and sigma is the set of inputs, delta is the transition function, and T is the tape symbols, B is blank symbol, and Q is the initial state, F is the final state. This is the we can present in examination. Let us see an example. These Q0 and Q1 are both a set of states for this, and the set of inputs are 0 and 1 are the inputs, and Q0 is the initial state, and any state which can represent with double circle is the final state. And we will later discuss about this transition function and tape symbols in model of the tuning machine. Model of the tuning machine. Model is describes about the functionality, how the tuning machine works is we can see in this model of the tuning machine. In model of the tuning machine, this is the input tape, this is the input tape, and this is the finite control. This is the read write header. This read write header can move to right or it can move to left. The main functionality of this tuning machine is this reads input symbol and replace this symbol with any character like X or Y. You can take any character. For this, I want to replace this 1 with X and replace with 0 with Y. This read write header takes the input 0 and make it as X, and it moves to right, and it makes this 0 as Y, and it moves to 1 and make this 1 as X, and move to right and make this 0 as Y after it reaches its final state. If it reaches its final state, then the string is accepted. The main definition of the model of the tuning machine is after reading input symbol, this symbol replace with another symbol. This symbol replace with another symbol, and its state change, and its state change and the direction change. The string is accepted if it's reads idea of the tuning machine. The idea of the tuning machine can be expressed as the transition function and the output, which means the transition function contains two parts. First one is the present state, and second one is the input symbol we can provide to the transition function. What output we get? we get the after applying this input symbol, we get a new state. This new state is q dash, and we get this is the stack symbol, and the direction of the head read write header, which can move to either left or right. This is the idea of the tuning mission. Let us see a small example on this idea of the tuning mission. Consider a string which is 0 1, and we can change this 0 as x and 1 as y. Let us construct a tuning mission. Q naught is the initial state. If the input is 1, then we need to change. If the input is 0, we need to make this 0 as x, and the direction is goes to the right, and the state changes. This is the new state q1. After the direction moves right, it goes to the 1. If we can read the 1 as input symbol, we make this 1 as y and move to the direction right side. This is the final state. This is the input symbol. This is the stack symbol. This is the direction.